Want to know how to use or get the hidden potential orbs faster in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle? So if you're struggling to max out your unit's hidden potential, here's how to farm orbs quickly. So simply play hidden potential events available daily. Each day drops a different orb color. Use boost stamina to triple your rewards and bring characters with a drop rate boost passives. Don't forget to clear ultimate class or world tournament missions. They often include bonus orbs as well. Stack your daily runs, focus on one type per day, and soon you'll have enough to rainbow any unit like a pro. And using and getting the hidden potential orbs is super simple as well. Just follow the steps that I have just told you and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.